Welcome to your personalized deep dive.
Yeah.
We're diving deep into garlic today. You sent us some really interesting research,
Yeah,
and we are excited to break it all down. Do you know garlic has been cultivated for like over 7,000 years?
I did.
That's crazy.
It's a long.
Taller than the pyramids.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Wow.
It originated in Central Asia, India, and the Mediterranean,
Okay.
and then it spread to Europe thanks to the Greeks and Romans.
Oh, interesting.
In fact, Charlemagne officially mentioned it in France.
Yeah.
So that's a pretty big stamp of approval.
That's pretty cool. I love that historical context.
Yeah.
So, I mean, we all know that garlic makes food taste amazing,
Right.
but your sources dive way deeper into the health benefits of garlic.
Yeah, they do.
Like one article even mentions a study where garlic extract, significantly reduced blood pressure,
Wow.
almost as much as some medications can.
That's amazing. Well, that's one of the most fascinating things about garlic.
I know, right?
Is the science behind its effects. Yeah.
So it's packed with these beneficial compounds,
Okay.
particularly allicin,
Allison.
which is what gives garlic that really pungent aroma.
Okay.
And when you crush a clove, enzymes convert allicin to allicin.
Okay.
And this compound, this allicin, is a powerful antioxidant
Okay.
with antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties.
Wow. Okay, so this allicin is pretty important.
Yeah.
I've even seen like allicin supplements. Is
Yeah.
that like something that people actually take?
Yeah, it's actually becoming more and more popular
Yeah.
because they offer a more concentrated dose,
Yeah.
this beneficial compound.
Okay.
And, there are various forms, including aged garlic extract,
Oh.
which is known for its stability and reduced odor.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah.
So eating garlic or taking allicin supplements could help with heart health.
Absolutely.
Are there any other potential benefits?
Yes, lots. So garlic has been linked to improved cardiovascular health,
Uh-huh.
immune support.
Right. And even potential anti-cancer effects. So your research highlighted a study where regular garlic consumption was associated with a lower risk of certain types of cancer,
Oh,
likely due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory actions.
those are some pretty impressive claims.
They are.
But is this just about the garlic we use in cooking? Or are we talking about like mega doses?
So that's a great question.
Yeah.
Many of the studies focus on dietary garlic,
Okay.
but the amount needed to actually see significant benefits can vary.
Okay.
Some research suggests that consuming just a few cloves daily might be optimal,
Oh, wow.
but others explore the benefits of concentrated extracts.
Oh, okay.
So, it depends.
Yeah.
It really varies.
So like a few cloves a day, keep the doctor away. I like the sound of that.
Right.
But if I'm being honest, one thing that's always made me hesitant to go all in on garlic is,
The breath.
the dreaded garlic breath.
Oh.
And, it's temporary, but I've always wondered if there are any other potential downsides.
Yeah, so
I think one of my sources mentioned something about blood thinning.
that's a really good point.
Yeah.
So garlic can indeed thin the blood,
Oh.
which can be beneficial for some people,
Okay.
but it's really crucial to consult a doctor
Yeah.
if you're on blood thinners or have any upcoming surgery.
Yeah, good point.
And as with any really potent ingredient,
Yeah,
moderation is key.
good point.
So excessive garlic consumption can lead to digestive issues,
Oh.
like heartburn and bloating.
Oh. Okay.
So, don't go too crazy.
So garlic, good for you, but use it wisely.
Exactly.
And talk to your doctor if you have any concerns.
Yes.
Got it.
Good.
Now, speaking of different ways to use garlic,
Yeah.
one of your sources mentioned something I had never even heard of before, garlic tea.
Garlic tea.
Yeah.
So that's actually a traditional remedy
Really?
made by boiling garlic cloves in water.
Huh.
And you can even add honey or lemon to make it a little more palatable. Oh.
It's often used to soothe sore throats
Oh.
and to boost the immune system.
That's fascinating.
Yeah,
And it just seems like there are endless ways to use garlic.
there are.
Like raw, cooked, oil, powder, tea.
It's very versatile.
This little bulb really does get around.
It does.
But I'm curious about its global impact.
Okay.
One source mentioned that China produces over 13 million tons of garlic annually.
Wow.
That's a lot of garlic.
That's right.
Wow.
China is actually the world's leading producer of garlic,
Wow.
accounting for about 70% of global production.
That's incredible.
It is.
Wow.
And it really speaks to the immense popularity and demand for this ancient superfood.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah.
13 million tons.
It's a lot.
That's a lot of garlic.
You know, it's fascinating to consider all the different varieties
Yeah.
of garlic cultivars around the world.
Oh, wow.
China, being the largest producer,
Right.
cultivates a wide range of garlic,
No, okay.
each with unique flavor profiles. Oh, interesting.
And properties.
Okay.
Some are known for their pungent heat,
Oh,
while others have a milder, sweeter taste.
that's so cool. So, like, there's a whole world of garlic varieties out there.
There is.
That's amazing.
It is.
And to think for thousands of years, different cultures have developed their own unique ways
Right.
of using garlic for both flavor and potential health benefits.
Absolutely.
Like, one of my sources actually touches upon traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurveda.
Okay.
It seems like garlic plays a pretty important role in those systems.
It does, yeah.
So in traditional Chinese medicine,
Mm-hmm.
garlic is considered like a warming
Right.
and yang food
Yes.
used to dispel coldness and invigorate the body.
Exactly.
Oh, wow.
So it's often used to treat colds, flu, and digestive issues.
So that warm and fuzzy feeling you get after a garlicky meal
Right.
might actually be ancient wisdom at work.
It could be.
I love that.
Yeah.
What of Ayurveda? What's garlic's role in that system?
So in Ayurveda, garlic is believed to balance the doshas,
Okay.
particularly kapha and vata, and it's considered a powerful detoxifier
Okay.
that promotes digestion
Right.
and boosts immunity.
Wow.
It's also used to support respiratory health
Okay.
and balance blood sugar levels.
It's amazing how these ancient systems recognize garlic's potential long before modern science.
I know, it's fascinating.
Right. Now, I have to admit,
Yeah.
when I think of garlic, I mainly picture those little bulbs at the grocery store.
Right.
But, like, what does garlic actually look like
Yeah.
as a plant?
Good question.
Yeah.
So garlic belongs to the Allium family,
Okay.
along with onions, chives, and leeks.
Right.
And the part that we eat, the bulb, grows underground.
Okay.
But above ground, it has these tall, slender stalks
Oh, wow.
with flat, linear leaves that sheath around the stem.
So it's not just a bulb popping out of the ground.
It's not, no.
There's an actual plant involved.
Yeah, there's a whole plant there. And at the top of the stalk,
Yeah.
it produces a cluster of flowers,
Oh, wow.
which can range in color from white to pink to even purple.
Wow. I never knew garlic could be so beautiful.
Well, I know, right?
I guess we're just so used to seeing it in its bulb form
Yeah.
that we forget that it's an actual plant
Right.
with flowers and everything.
Exactly.
I love that.
Yeah.
It's a reminder that even something as familiar as garlic
Yeah.
can hold surprises and hidden beauty.
That's a great way to put it.
Yeah.
I like that.
So we've covered a lot of ground here.
We have.
We've explored the fascinating history of garlic,
Right.
its remarkable health benefits,
Yes.
backed by scientific research,
Mm-hmm.
the diverse ways to use it,
Uh-huh.
the cultural traditions surrounding it,
Yeah.
and even its unexpected botanical beauty.
Absolutely.
And we've emphasized the importance of moderation,
Yes.
consulting a healthcare professional if you have any concerns,
For sure.
and being mindful of potential interactions with medications.
Very important.
Absolutely. Knowledge is power,
Yes.
especially when it comes to our health and well-being.
Absolutely.
Now, before we wrap up,
Yeah.
I want to leave you with a final thought-provoking question.
Okay, go ahead.
After this deep dive into the world of garlic,
Mm-hmm.
how do you plan to incorporate it into your life?
Yeah.
Is it time to try a new recipe?
Yeah.
Experiment with a different variety of garlic?
Maybe.
Perhaps explore a traditional medicinal use?
That could be fun.
Or maybe just appreciate its presence in your favorite dishes even more?
That's a great question to reflect on.
I know, right?
There are so many ways to enjoy garlic,
I know.
from its culinary versatility to its potential health benefits.
Right.
And remember, even if you're already a garlic enthusiast,
Yeah.
there's always something new to learn and discover.
I love that.
Yeah,
It's a reminder that we're all lifelong learners,
we are.
constantly expanding our horizons.
That's right.
And that's what the deep dive is all about.
Exactly.
It's about taking a deep breath,
Yeah.
diving into the unknown,
Mm-hmm.
and emerging with a renewed sense of wonder and understanding.
Beautifully said.
Well said.
Yeah.
And on that note,
Yeah.
it's time for us to say goodbye for now.
Okay.
It's funny, we started this deep dive thinking about garlic as like this simple ingredient,
Right.
but it's turned into a journey through like
It really has.
history,
Yeah.
culture, and science.
I know.
It really speaks to how even the most commonplace things
Mm-hmm.
can hold extraordinary depth.
Yeah.
when we take the time to explore them.
It's true.
And I feel like we've only scratched the surface.
Yeah.
I'm already thinking about all the garlic-inspired recipes I want to try,
Oh, yeah.
the different varieties I want to taste,
Yeah.
all the fascinating research I want to read.
I know, me too.
Is that the beauty of learning, right?
Yeah.
It sparks curiosity that propels us forward.
It does.
And who knows, maybe this deep dive has inspired you to do a little digging of your own.
Yeah.
Perhaps you'll discover a unique culinary tradition.
You never know.
Or stumble upon a groundbreaking study.
Right.
Or even experiment with growing your own garlic.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
I love that.
Yeah.
It's a reminder that we're all lifelong learners,
We are.
constantly expanding our horizons.
That's right.
And that's what the deep dive is all about.
Absolutely.
It's about taking a deep breath,
Yeah.
diving into the unknown,
Right?
and emerging with a renewed sense of wonder and understanding.
I like that.
Well said.
Thank you.
And on that note,
Yeah.
it's time for us to say goodbye for now.
Okay.
But we hope this isn't the end of your garlic exploration.
Yeah, keep it going.
Keep those taste buds tingling,
Yes.
those minds curious,
Absolutely.
and those kitchens filled with the aroma of this incredible ancient superfood.
I love it.
Thank you for joining us on this fascinating deep dive
It's been fun.
into the world of garlic.
Yeah.
Until next time,
Yeah.
happy exploring.